What you're about to see is a multi-AI agent system built on the Vantiq platform. Multiple specialized AI agents work together in real time to monitor, diagnose, and improve operations at a tire manufacturing plant, handling the kind of complex, time-sensitive decisions that would typically require a team of people. 4 agents are running in this scenario. 3 are specialized agents, each focused on a distinct responsibility, and 1 is an orchestrator, whose job is to oversee and coordinate the others. On the left, various types of real-time data flow continuously into the system, including temperature sensor readings, equipment metrics, and operational data from across the plant floor. The inspector agent detects an abnormal reading from a temperature sensor and flags it automatically using rule-based detection. The orchestrator reviews the alert and determines a deeper diagnosis is needed, tasking the diagnostic agent with identifying the root cause. At the same time, the improvement agent evaluates the situation and prepares potential improvement actions. The diagnostic agent completes its analysis and identifies the root cause as age-related deterioration of the temperature control valve. The orchestrator brings the improvement agent back in to factor in that diagnosis and propose further corrective action. It responds with a recommendation to lower the temperature threshold from 180 degrees to 175 degrees. As you can see on the right, that change is applied automatically. You can also see an additional improvement where the sensor calibration frequency is updated from monthly to weekly. The system continues monitoring the plant without interruption, and when human oversight is required, approval steps can easily be built into the workflow before any action is taken. Systems like this help your operations react instantly, eliminate delays, and drive faster decisions. To see what Vantiq can do for your business, schedule a customized live demo today.